Talk about a piece of clothing you like.
So, let me tell you about a piece of clothing that I really like and why it's special to me. The item I want to describe is my favorite jacket. It's a simple navy blue bomber jacket made from a lightweight material, perfect for both cool spring days and mild autumn evenings. What I like most about this jacket is that it's very versatile and comfortable. I can wear it with casual clothes like jeans and a t shirt, or even dress it up a little with a shirt and chinos. This versatility makes it a staple in my wardrobe. I bought this jacket about 2 years ago during a trip to the city. I remember walking around and suddenly spotting it in a small boutique. The moment I saw it, I was drawn to the color and the soft fabric. It wasn't very expensive, but it looked stylish and seemed to fit perfectly. After trying it on, I knew I had to buy it. Since then, it has become my go to jacket for many occasions. One reason I like this jacket so much is because it reminds me of that trip and the good memories I made. Every time I put it on, I feel a little boost of confidence and comfort. It's also practical because it keeps me warm without being too heavy, which is important in the seasons when the weather is unpredictable. The jacket has a zipper, two side pockets, and a small logo on the chest that adds a bit of character without being too flashy. Now, let's talk about some useful language that you can use to describe clothing in your IELTS speaking test. You can start by saying, "The piece of clothing I want to talk about is a navy blue bomber jacket that I really like." Then you can describe its features. It's made from a lightweight fabric, has a zipper in the front, and two side pockets. Try to add your personal feelings too. I love this jacket because it's very versatile and comfortable, and I feel confident wearing it. To make your answer even more interesting, you can explain when and where you usually wear this clothing. For example, I usually wear it in spring or autumn when the weather is cool but not too cold. Or, I like to pair it with jeans and sneakers for a casual look. This kind of detail shows the examiner that you can talk naturally and fluently about everyday topics. It's also good to use different tenses and expressions to describe your experience. For example, I bought this jacket 2 years ago, which is past simple. And I have worn it many times since then, which is present perfect. You can also say, "Whenever I wear it, I feel comfortable and confident," which uses the present simple tense to talk about habits or general truths. Another way to improve your answer is by adding comparisons or reasons. You could say, "Compared to other jackets I own, this one is lighter and more stylish." Or, "I prefer this jacket because it matches almost everything in my wardrobe." Giving reasons for your opinions makes your answer sound more complete and natural. Now, I want you to think about a piece of clothing that you like. It could be a jacket, a dress, a pair of shoes, or anything else. Try to describe it using the tips I just shared. Talk about what it looks like, how it feels, why you like it, and when you wear it. Practice speaking out loud or record yourself to check your pronunciation and fluency. The more you practice, the better you'll do in your IELTS speaking test. Remember, the key to a good answer is to be clear, natural, and confident. Don't worry about using very complicated words. It's better to use simple language correctly than to make mistakes with difficult vocabulary. Also, try to speak in full sentences and give examples or stories when you can. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found these tips helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends who are preparing for IELTS. And don't forget to subscribe to Ali Training's Official for more lessons like this. Your support helps us create more content to help you succeed. Always remember, learning English and preparing for exams is a journey. Keep practicing regularly, stay positive, and believe in yourself. With every step, you are improving and getting closer to your goals. You have the power to achieve whatever you set your mind to. See you in the next video.